did. Think about all the fun games we could play with those walkie-talkies.
You say you wanna make it happen. Don't try to fight the heavens. Good girls aren't the one.
Welcome to my channel. It was actually my first time in Mexico, so you know, let's pretend this wasn't like 2 months ago, okay?
All that I've seen here is actually impeccable. I am very impressed.
Sense of welcome has been nice.
Yes.
And we haven't even made it to the room yet.
And we haven't even made it to the roof yet. Did you hear that? Jenna got an $18 smoothie. Mine was $16.
You're saving me money.
I am. Pina colada update. Cheers. Well, hello there. Jay, do you want to play mermaids? I want to play mermaids. Okay, I'll be Harmony. Who will I be? Ariel, duh. I'm Ariel. My tail's pink. My tail's blue. Fine.
Was hoping we could take it slow. You the type of dime I'm really trying to get to know. If it's cool with you, maybe we can hit the show. I can take you places you ain't know you wanna go. Baby girl, slow it down before you catch a feeling. You don't notice where I've been, I have been a minute. I've been trying to take my time cause it's been a minute. Really all I'm looking for is Mrs. Independent. Yeah, I heard the good girls do it better. Love a little harder and get a little wetter. Nothing gets good, girl, whenever we're together. Anytime she need it, I'ma bring a sweater for the weather. I'ma give you the world, now it's pushing it. I'ma give you my time.
We're heading to the yacht. Some may say the yacht. See that big boat right there? It's probably not that one, but...
Start booking it. Nowadays we turn away from all the ushy gushy shit. Everybody looking for love, but never look at it.
Want you to go someday. I'm gonna take you there. I'm gonna take you there.
Good girl, real high with the latitude, and you're smart, turn around what the brains do. Independent and your credit score beautiful. You fine as hell, baby girl. I'm proud of you.
I'm excited to see it. We just want to go to bed. Good morning. What else do you want me to say? What else do you want me to say? What else do you want to say? Good night. We're headed to breakfast and to tour our hotel. Joey is having an allergic reaction. Feeling really bad. It feels really lonely. I'm just out by myself. But look at the spa. Look at this. Ice. Feels so good. What I love about these luxury resorts is there's so much free stuff because you're paying so much for your stay. Lemon water, apple from the gym. The gym is stunning, beautiful. It sucks that my really only friend is sick, but I think she's feeling better. Mama wants a margarita.
So I just have to keep drinking.
We have to keep drinking. What is this?
Air bread. No carbs in air bread.
Golf carts. Who wants $1?
Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Dreaming every night like the last time. So I end all my days with you. Yeah, we should share a backseat in a taxi to get home. No
last few days in this mansion. I have a certain image in my head of what it looks like, but from what I've heard, I'm far off. Oh wow.
Hello, ladies.
Hello. Oh wow. Hey
Yes.
girl. Hey.
After you, ladies.
Wow. Ooh. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me, bro. Oh my gosh. This is actually insane. All of a sudden, all my nausea has left. All of a sudden, I'm having a wonderful time. Wow. Italy is fine. We'll take it. This is, yeah, that's great. That's great.
Come on out.
This is amazing. Everyone's gonna be naked.
Yes, showering outside. It's wonderful. Once you do it, there's no other way to shower.
Ding me? No. What? It's, you know, another mini house, right? Yeah. I need another one. Yes. You need another one. Come here.
If you get married and the boy passes JT's test, he passes Uncle Scott's test, and he passes my test, you guys get married, you can have your honeymoon here.
You cannot put this on any like dating app as propaganda.
Stop. This is good. I'm gonna have a house like this one day.
Insane.
Cheers.
Look at this hat wall. This one. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is amazing right here.
Good morning.
Didn't see you there.
Right.
Good morning. Making your breakfast. Good morning, hot stuff.
Right.
Making avocado toast at this house makes me feel like I'm on Love Island, so.
That's great.
Okay, never mind. Don't put me on Love Island. That was awful.
Boom.
Okay, you should take it.
Thank you, Chef.
You're welcome.
Come on. Walk time. These oh. Right. Found a flower. I feel like a pretty princess. Not anymore. Oh. There's a new pretty princess in town, and her name is Miss Jetty. Wow. New pretty princess in town.
Okay, I'm sick of that.
How long do you think we've walked?
Mileage?
Yeah.
Like half a mile. Just got some #fish. Literally can't take it anymore. Okay, okay. Okay, there they go. On their quest to defeat all the odds that are bet against them. They will defy gravity. Tell the haters that they were wrong. Oh, here they go. Yay! Oh, I kicked it. We're the big girl board. We're the big girl board. I just forgot I have a treat. What? Is that it? Couple cameras.
Oh, finally.
Sorry for filming the whole day in slow-mo. Bad cameraman. Outfit. Outfit.
Dinner outfit.
Yes. Right this way. God forbid a girl wants to wear a dress. And some sneakers. Once again, slowing the family down because we have to take pictures of every single thing. Literally, look at this. Our family's inside eating dinner, but oh, like this isn't real. Look, I have to come down now.
Can you take a
Cute. Oh, right. Oh. We're not high maintenance at all.
I felt a drop of rain. We have to move. I felt a drop.
Look at this.
Oh, wow. Welcome to breakfast, friend. We're in Tchotchkeville. Welcome. Or shall I say, bienvenidos.
Okay, that one is, the other one I didn't really notice. That
Give us a spin.
Here's the monkey.
This restaurant, what's so special about it is that it's like in the jungle. And of course, in Cabo it only rains like 2 days out of the year, and this is one of the days. But here we are. Happy wedding! Woo! That's so cute. They just got married. Stop, I'm gonna cry. Let's walk together. Are you kidding? Are you kidding?
Wedding party.
Their first walk together plus Michael.
I didn't know they were coming down.
I have inspiration. Yeah! I'm gonna have a mariachi band lead the GX's reception up to the lawn for their dinner.
Oh my
It just happened.
word.
Doing it.
I'm being taken back to the kitchen. I don't know what that means.
We start right here.
Oh wow.
Like, look at the line here. Grilled shrimp.
Gosh, we're standing
Grilled
up
shrimp.
like that. Wow. Oh yeah, no, yeah. This is the most beautiful table I've ever seen. I'm so sad to leave. Because the UV is gonna be high today, and I think we should stay until like 5.
What was the question?
Should we stay?
I can't hear you.
Should we stay?
Yes, we should stay.
So we're in our private jet airport, and these are all the celebrities who have passed through. Yeah, it's whatever. They should put my picture up here.